Right, part B, Rodri uses formulae to calculate the perimeters and areas of the logos. In the formulae, A, B, C, D are all lengths. Okay. Which one of the following formulae might be used to calculate the perimeter of the logo? So, going back to what we constructed before, we're just imagining here the logo as such, and the perimeter, remember, is all the way around, and it's talking about A, B, C, and D are all lengths. Now that could be some multiple of A there. Okay, it doesn't have to be A. It's just saying that A and B, C, and D are lengths. This could be 2A. Okay, this could be 2D or 3C. It doesn't really matter, right? It's just the length. But you'd add them up, wouldn't you? You'd add them up if you were working out the perimeter. Now, which one of these could represent that formula? Well, some of them we can discount straight away, and it's important to recognize the ones you can discount. Look at this here, AB, A times B. Now, when we work out perimeter, we don't times the lengths. We never times them, so we can ignore that one, right? That's definitely not going to work because we're going to times them here, and we don't times when we do perimeter. We add the lengths. Again, here, got this bracket, but you're timesing everything by A. Now, you're timesing one length with another. Now, you do that when you do area. Okay, so that's no good. This one here makes sense, okay, but let's look at this one and see why it doesn't work. It's always good to look at the ones that don't work. D squared, that's D times D. You do that when it comes to area. And you've got lengths here, lengths and area. It just doesn't make sense at all, this doesn't. But here, this is perfect combination here of letters. Don't worry the fact you've got minuses here, okay, minuses there, because your length here, okay, this could be, for instance, A minus 2B. That could be the length there. That's why you end up with this sort of thing going on, right? The combination. I mean, I don't know what this could be, but, you know, this could be 2C minus 3D or something like that, right? But if you were to work out the perimeter here, you would get something like this then as an answer. Remember, the perimeter will be adding all these up together, and you get this sort of combo then, combination answer. But ultimately, it's just measuring a length, isn't it? So this is the one that we want. Part 2 then says, which one of the following formulae might calculate the area of the logo? Now think about area again, you're timesing length by width. Okay, there's lots of ones you can discount here. Here, you've got AD times B. If I was to multiply that out, I'd have ADB. You've got 3 dimensions multiplied there, length times width times height, so to speak. That will give you volume, that's no good. Forget that one, okay, forget that one. Here, A times 5B. That could work because you get 5AB. That gives you area, doesn't it? A times B. But move on, because if you look at this now, you times A by this 2C, that will give you 2AC. That's fine. That works. 2 dimensions. But at the end, notice you've got D squared there. So you times that by A, you have AD squared. A and D squared. That's 3 dimensions. You've got 1 dimension there and 2 dimensions here. So no good. When it comes to this one here, you can multiply through by A. There's no harm in writing this down here. So 3A plus 3B plus 6C plus D. So we're adding them up like that. But you're adding the lengths here. That's actually perimeter. This one, this must be the one that works. Multiply through by A here. So you get 5AB. A times 2C is 2AC. And A times D is AD. Looking at this here, 2 dimensions, 2 dimensions, 2 dimensions, it's all consistent, it's giving you the area, so this is the one here.